Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Do you want to live long and live a long life without any chronic health condition? Then you must know about blue zones. Blue zones are regions with highest number of centenarians. Centenarians means people who live longer than 100 years. Dan Buettner, an American researcher and an author, identified these blue zones first.
Let's dig deep into it and find out how people in this region manage to live longer. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. 90% of people who watched our videos didn't subscribe to our videos yet, and people who subscribe to our channel didn't watch the next video as they didn't click the bell icon and hence they were not notified. If you think you get anything out of our videos, please subscribe and click the bell icon now. There are five blue zones in the world. They are Icaria in Greece, Sardinia in Italy, Okinawa in Japan, Nicoya in Costa Rica, and Loma Linda in California, USA. Do you think these people are rich enough to afford costlier supplement and eat superfood every day? Not at all. Then what made them to live longer without any chronic diseases? Let's find out.
Centenarians do not follow any dietary patterns nor do they exercise in a fancy gym. Contrary to internet advice on high protein, low carb diet, centenarians actually eat a lot of carbohydrates. But the carbs they eat are complex carbs from legumes, pulses, and whole grains, and also tubers like potato. People of Loma Linda are strict vegetarians, whereas people of other blue zones are not strict vegetarians, but on an average they consume only 5 meals of meat in a month, including fish. The major source of proteins for centenarians are legumes, pulses, and whole grains. Usually, people say that plant proteins are incomplete proteins and it's difficult for vegetarians to meet all amino acid requirements through diet. But do you think centenarians manage to live this long with amino acid deficiency? Not at all. Thus, centenarians prove that vegetarians cannot meet all the amino acid requirements through diet is just a myth. If you have watched our previous videos, we have clearly explained that combining grains and pulses can provide all the essential amino acids our body needs. If you haven't watched the video yet, please consider watching our video all about proteins. Not only proteins, legumes and pulses are rich in fiber that support good gut health. Not only centenarians, even multiple studies consistently prove that people who consume plant-based food live longer than people who consume animal-based foods. People of blue zones grow their own kitchen garden and they consume lot of seasonal vegetables and fruits from their kitchen garden, including tubers like potato. People of Okinawa practiced 80% rule. That is, they stop eating when their stomach is 80% full. They call this practice as hara achibu. This prevents them from overeating and automatically restrict calorie intake. Another interesting factor is they do not do any intentional exercise, but they are physically active throughout the day. They keep moving as a part of their active lifestyle. Most of the blue zone people are farmers and they raise farm animals. These activities make them move a lot. Apart from their occupation, they do gardening, cooking, and other household chores by themselves, which keeps them physically active every day. No wonder they do not have any metabolic disease like diabetes or hypertension, and they maintain optimal body weight. We have already explained the science behind this in our previous videos. In our total daily energy expenditure, non-exercise activity thermogenesis, that is, the energy we spend being active as a part of daily living like cooking, bathing, walking accounts for 15 to 20%, while intentional exercises accounts for only 5%. If you haven't watched the video yet, please consider watching our video Exercise for Weight Loss. Not just physical health, they also maintain a good psychological health. Even though they are not rich, they are exposed to a lot of stress on daily basis. They manage them effectively. Let's discuss about the factors that help them to manage the stress. They give importance to sleep. They sleep at least 8 hours every night and they also take naps in afternoons, but not more than 30 minutes. They wake up with a purpose every morning. In Okinawa, people call it as ikagai, and in Costa Rica they call it as plan de vida. But both means purpose of living. Having strong purpose in life can add up to longevity. Loved ones first. They follow monogamy, that is being married to one person at a time. They live with their aged parents and take good care of them. Grandchildren enjoy being with their grandparents, and advices and tips from grandparents are treasured by them. Our immediate friend circle matters a lot. Even research suggests that if our friend circle is obese and follow unhealthy lifestyle, we are more likely to be obese and unhealthy. In Okinawa, 5 children became friends and then they decided to be committed and help each other lifelong. They call this group as Moai. They meet regularly not only to chit chat and gossip, but they help each other even financially. They socialize well and have faith and follow religious activities. So, whenever they are stressed out, they always have a support system to rely on, and this helps them to manage their stress effectively. The lessons learned from blue zones aren't something new that we hear. These are just ignored and forgotten rules that we already know. So these are the simple takeaways from centenarians. Eat lot of plant-based food like whole grains, legumes, pulses, nuts and seeds, and lot of seasonal vegetables and fruits. Consume animal products in moderation. Be physically active, avoid vehicles and walk as much as possible. Pick a hobby that you enjoy, like gardening or any other sport activity. Have good quality sleep every night. Take care of your immediate family members, including aged parents. Be conscious of your immediate social circle and surround yourself with positive people. Wish you all a long and healthy life. Please like, comment, share and subscribe if you feel you get anything out of this video. Thanks for watching. Good day.